Okay guys, just spotted ourselves an electric blue C8 Corvette. I believe it's electric blue. I think that's the color code. Over here at Wally World. Yep. Pretty legit. We're just going to get some food real quick. Then we're gonna head home. I gotta knock out some school. And then we're gonna probably shred some crazy cars. Maybe drive some RC cars. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But yeah, just hang in there, you guys. We're working on it. Da-da. Da-da.
You stupid.
She broke it. Oh, caught in 4K. Caught in 4K. Okay guys, BMW is looking all spiffy over here in the rain. She always be looking good, but we're gonna go ahead and go over to a park that has a sick skate park. Shred the crazy car, maybe hit some jumps, you know what I mean? Hopefully not send her too hard and crash, but have some good times with her. And then we're also gonna be ripping a RC car. I don't know if that'll be in this video. Maybe some clips will. I don't know if all of them will be, but yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, we're at the skate park. It's dumping rain, so we're just gonna give her a couple cents. It's probably pretty wet, so we're just gonna see how it feels. But yeah, let's get it. So cold. Oh, I'm soaked. Oh. Ow. Here at Home Depot. Got the boom mic. Speak.
Get this shit out of my face.
Okay, we're directing a movie here at Home Depot. Boom mic. So yeah, nice little documentary we got going on out here at Home Depot. All right, we going up this impossible hill. Here we go. Come on, Subi. Oh, come on, Subi. It's steep, you guys. Come on, Subi. Let's go. We got this.
Oh, that wasn't too bad.
It ain't over yet. Oh, what is this? What is this?
Curb your wheels. It is.
Hey guys, we're back from the skate park. It went all right. It could have been a lot better. This thing started acting up just because it was so wet. So much water was flying on it. It started to mess us up with the electrical, so I need to get this thing all dried off real quick. The air compressor, just to make sure all the wires are clear of any water, because this thing started to like floor it on its own, and it was actually really sketch. Luckily I was quick enough to shut it off, so yeah. Also got to blow out all the bearings. I don't want my bearings to get seized, but no, I definitely want to go back there when it's sunnier, no rain. It'd be way cooler. All of the ramps were super wet, so that it would just spin out on them. I couldn't even get high up on the ramps because the tire wouldn't let me. So hopefully we can go back there maybe Tuesday when it's dry, completely dry, and shred this thing. But yeah, we're going to get this thing dried up. So I'm going to throw you guys in a time lapse real quick, but I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, as you can see, I don't know if you guys can tell, let me try and get it more up forward for you guys, but if you look, you'll see that it's wiggling right here in the headset area. So we're gonna have to go ahead and pull the steering wheel off real quick, tighten this headset back up. I keep on having the same exact issue with it coming loose. So we're gonna tighten it up one more time. If it happens again, we're gonna try and find a solution to it. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that. And I think I'm gonna just hit this thing with a quick polish. It's looking a little like it needs one, so might just pull the seat off real quick, hit it with a quick polish. You know, I spent a lot of money on this thing, so I really want to keep it looking fresh. As best I can, you know, it's gonna get messed up, I know that, but if I can just hit it with a quick polish every once in a while, it takes like 15 minutes, so I might as well. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get this thing ready for you guys. So we're gonna get this headset fixed, and we're gonna go ahead and hit this thing with a quick little polish, and then, I don't know, maybe we'll go rip the Nomad, since we didn't get to take it out at the, skate park. It was too wet, you guys. It was dumping. I got back in the old Subaru. My pants were soaked. And that's why we didn't take the BMW, because I don't like driving that thing in the rain. It's got too much power to be out in the rain. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing taken apart, get it all fixed, and see you guys soon. As you can see, I think the throttle thing's fixed. It just needed to dry up. Real quick, if you have a crazy car, make sure that if you drive it out in the rain to use air, blow them off, get all the water out, get the water out of the electrical areas, get out all the bolts, wipe it down, because if you don't, and you don't have the upgraded bolts like I do, they're gonna rust, first of all. Second of all, you can mess up your bearings, so I always blow off the bearings in here just to get them all nice and dry. And I recommend you do it as soon as you're done. Just do it real quick, save you some money from having to fix it. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take this all apart real quick and get it fixed. So see you guys in a minute. go ahead and remove the seat, hit it with a real nice and quick polish, nothing too fancy. I'll probably throw a sealant on it to also enhance like the depth and color of it, but yeah, besides that, we're just making her look fresh again. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay guys, so we went ahead, took the rear seat off, polished it, and we might have went a little overboard and we ceramic coated it, but it looks good. Super good, you guys. I even did the motor, I did the battery box. I pretty much did everything just to make sure everything is coated in case the next time I go out when it rains, it all just flies off. So I think that'll be cool. We're also gonna see how if it enhances the color. Usually it does on like clear paint. I don't know how it works with clear coat for like powder coat. It might help, I guess we'll find out. So we're gonna go ahead and let it sit for about 4 hours, and then we'll come back and apply another layer probably, depending on how much more enhanced the color looks, if it's enhanced at all. But so far this thing looks good. We did the pedal, the fork, steering wheel, entire bottom piece, the plate, this piece, all the bolts, the side pieces, even right here down the front. So yeah, we pretty much did everywhere. Just anywhere that can get wet. Thankfully we were able to blow all the electrical connections and that fixed our problem. So we're probably not gonna be taking it out in the rain anymore just because I don't have to deal with that. But besides that, yeah, we're just gonna go and let it sit. I don't know if it's already about to be dark out and it's dumping outside, so we're probably not gonna be doing anything else tonight, but yeah, stay tuned. We'll be back. For you guys, it'll be a couple minutes. With me, it'll be like 4 hours, but I'm gonna go to the gym, we'll come back, and then we'll check up on this thing, see how it looks, and then we'll go ahead and apply another layer if it's actually doing anything. So, okay, you guys, it's been about 3 hours, and I'd say it's done something. I think it looks more sparkly, maybe a little bit more red. I don't know. Oops. Looks good though. Looks super clean. The motor looks really nice too. That thing was looking a little rough, but cleaned up nice. But yeah, you guys, that's gonna end it off for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'm not sure what exactly, we'll figure out what we're doing tomorrow. Kind of just fly by the seat of my pants and just figure out what we're gonna do. But I need to start planning things out just so I have more and like, what's a good word? Better quality content instead of just coming up with it the same day. Having it planned out, I think would be a lot better. So maybe we'll start working on that. But other than that, you guys, I think today was a pretty good video. Besides wrecking and also having the crazy cart start doing some weird stuff on us. That kind of scared me there for a minute, but luckily once we blew all the wires out and the connections were dry, it worked fine again, so that's good. Don't really recommend taking a crazy car out in the rain for too long, or if it's like a little bit of rain, that's fine, but if it's like dumping rain, probably not a good idea. So, but yeah, thanks for watching. Please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, you guys already know the deal. But other than that, that's gonna be the end of this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.